Hello guys, it's me again. Gusto nyo bang mag-invest sa real estate pero feeling nyo wala kayong capacity to pay sa monthly amortization? Kapag sinasabi kasi natin na real estate, ang unang pumapasok sa utak natin, mahal yan, mga mayayaman lang pwedeng mag-invest dyan. O kaya yung mga matataas ang sweldo. Alam nyo ba na pwede kayong mag-invest for as low as 1,300 pesos monthly? At payable only for 5 years? According to Robert Kiyosaki, real estate investing, even on a very small scale, remains a tried and true means of building an individual cash flow and wealth. So if you're like me na gustong mag-invest pero wala pang capacity na kumuha ng residential investment, dito tayo sa Memorial Lot Investment. Yes guys, good news kasi ang Orchard Road Memorial Park, Malaybalay, open for investors. Why invest in Memorial Lot? First, it is still a real estate investment and considered as tangible asset. Number 2, faster value appreciation. Yung kabao nga tumataas every year, ito pa kaya? Number 3, the burden of selling your property is not with the investors but with Orchard. And number 4, small cash outlay but higher returns. So guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Invest na. Anyway, bigyan ko kayo ng overview sa Orchard Road Memorial Park. So, Davao Orchard Road Incorporated started year 2002 in Circumferential Road, Marfori, Davao City. Meron din sila sa Tagum City. At ngayon, nasa Malaybalay, located along Syri Highway, Barangay Lagitas, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. So, Memorial Park development with modern Asian-inspired features has wide array of amenities for the community to enjoy. There's lang chapel, picnic area, parks and playground, jogging path, restrooms, benches, on-site sales and admin office, wide parking area, 24-hour security, and underground utilities. So if you're looking for real estate investment but your required income is not qualified, so dito na tayo sa Memorial Lot. So, ang kagandahan dito sa Memorial Lot, no down payment, no interest, no maintenance fee. Memorial Lot is a kind of a real estate na tinitake for granted lang natin kasi akala natin na kapag nag-invest tayo ng Memorial Lot para sa atin na para gagamitin natin kapag tayo ay nawala, which is not necessarily. So pwede mo naman pwedeng maghanda din para sa sarili natin, pero pwede rin investment kasi pwede mo yang ibenta sa iba yung nangangailangan at a higher price. So, di ba? So, nakatulong ka pa, kumita ka pa. So, that is hard, but it's part of our life. There always somebody looking for a good memorial lot. It's not a luxury, but a necessity. Okay? Bye-bye!